Welcome. This is a TransGo Performance Reprogramming Kit, item 47-1. It is for 1967 to 1969 C4, and it is for that car right there. Why am I doing this? Well, that's why. I needed to work on this car and had to pull the transmission, and when I did so, I thought, oh, why not just replace this leaky gasket sitting around the oil pan? And when I dropped it, this spring fell out. I believe it's from the valve body. We're going to take that out of the car here in the near future, and we will install this shift kit. But until then, I figured I would do an unboxing on it. I looked for one online and I could not find one, so I wanted to share that with you. So to get started, let's just go ahead and take this wrapping off. Here's your part number if you're interested. 47-1. Okay. So this is what we get with the reprogramming 47-1 shift kit. It says fits 67 to 69 C4 transmissions, automatic shifts with driver command. The trans will shift and hold first and second gear to any RPM when manually shifted. This kit fits casting numbers C7AP through C9AP. Burnouts in a water or bleach box. Break it loose in first, second, then shift up to third. Let's see what else. What do we have in here? So it looks like they got the gasket, plug, reinstalled ball location. We'll find out. Main valve body. These are the directions on this. Next sheet. Main valve body continued. New yellow, new gold, pressure regulator, coast boost, reuse, yeah, good stuff. We'll find out. So let's see what we got in the box here. So you have a new pin and the correct size drill bit. Nice little tray. Got their logo on it. It's like a McDonald's cardboard. Here's the springs. I don't know if I'm going to install this whole shift kit or if I'm just going to pull the one spring and let it do its thing. I'm assuming that spring right there, well, I don't know. It's not great. Maybe I will have to do the whole shift kit. It doesn't match any of the sizes. We'll figure it out. Comes with a cork gasket. Probably, count these springs for you. Looks like there's three. One yellow, skinny little red one, a bronze one, light blue, dark blue, some little short spring. So 5 springs in total. I'll find a place to put that if I like it. And the new gasket. It's like a piece of, it's really, how would I explain this? It's like a thick piece of paper you kids draw on. Yeah. Find out. Anyways, that is the unboxing, what you get in the TransGo Performance Reprogramming Kit. Thanks. Have a good day.